Hey, JB here,
And I'm JC.
and we want to make sure we see you next week at the FFL seminar sponsored by the ATF and the National Shooting Sports Foundation, taking place in your area.
That's right, JB. We're going to be talking about ATF compliance, reviewing the 4473, and talking about your A&D bound books, getting all of your questions answered.
And then we'll jump into securing your FFL against burglary, utilizing new resources available to you through Operation Secure Store and the National Shooting Sports Foundation. Information and resources you can download today and get started with to understand what's happening in the trends of upgrading security and protecting your firearms against theft.
So go out, get registered today. If you haven't already registered, contact your ATF field office to see if there's still space available. And if nothing else, you can always drop us a line or give us a call.
And remember, stop by and say hi.